I've been restoring vintage automobiles for over 30 years, but this 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster is something truly special. This cream-colored beauty was discovered in a barn in rural Michigan, abandoned for nearly 8 decades, and today we're bringing chassis number 689 back to life. The rotted black canvas on this 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster is a complete loss. This 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster, originally cream, shows signs of over a century of neglect. Here. The chassis is structurally sound, but the bodywork and accessories are going to need a complete overhaul. The wood is completely gone here. The frame is heavily rusted. You can see the scale rust flaking off. There are signs of rodents and perforation from the bottom.
All right, easy now. Mind your grip. Got it, boss. Watch your fingers on that joint. Okay, they're both set now. Keep it steady. Slowly does it. Just a little further.
This is going to be a substantial project.
Yes, sir. Where should I begin?
Start with the front suspension evaluation. Let's see what we're dealing with. All right, front left fender. Need to get the perforation here. Okay, let's move to the rear. Focus on the top. Got it. All right, easy on this side. It's really gone.
Got it. Look at this damage.
Years of neglect right here. See? Complete rot.
Wow.
How bad are the bows?
God, this thing is seized tight. There it goes. Just need some oil on the next one. All right, just give it some oil.
Patience.
Patience, she's seized tight.
There.
There, got it. Careful now, don't drop it.
All right, here goes the Model 10's wheel. It's really stuck on there. Years of rust. Careful does it.
All right, let's get some oil on this thing. She's not budging easily.
Patient work.
Patient work.
Keep it steady, don't rush. I've got the back edge. Perfect, right here on the table. Okay, it's down. The extent of the corrosion here is significant, especially on the inner surfaces. The Model 10 Roadster panels, that is some serious rust. Those hinges are barely there.
All right, first full view here of the Buick Model 10. The hood and fenders are off, revealing the 165 cubic inch. This insulation is completely gone.
Be careful, it's just going to crumble.
Yeah, it's all dust now.
Did it snap?
Yep, completely rusted through. This one's really seized.
Very first time.
Got it. It's moving now. Keep it steady, apprentice. Got it, boss. Look at the rust on that firewall.
Keep it gentle, just coaxing the dirt out. Seeing the original paint now, looks good.
The paint is heavily deteriorated, but the original cream color is still there underneath. We've got major rust bleeding on the fenders.
This is the 1913 Buick Roadster after its initial wash. You can see the original cream paint and the full extent of the...
Getting into these seams is crucial. Can't leave any moisture behind.
Looks like it's drying up nicely, Mark.
Almost done with this section. Just these rivets now.
Good work.
All right, let's get into these finer details. The solution is starting to break through. Just need to be patient here. The patina is thick. There, see? The brass is finally showing.
All right, time to tackle these spokes. Years of grime build up here. We've got our cleaning solution. Let's get it sprayed down and start scrubbing.
All right, time to tackle the seat. Gentle hand, slow and steady. This is going to take a lot of patience. Decades of dirt in these cracks. Watch that metal, it's brittle.
All right, decades of crud coming off this chassis. Look at that rust. It's going to be a big job.
The water's cleared, it's clean, but the truth of the metal is clear. Rust on the fenders, the original cream holding strong on the running boards. It's ready now. All right, here it is, dry and ready for assessment. You can really see the extent of the rust here.
All right, let's get that media hooked up properly. Got it, looks ready. Perfect, now put on the mask and start with a low pressure. Right, safety first, here we go.
The Buick fender, brass bracket still attached, needs careful handling.
Yeah.
Good, looks secure. Time to get started on this one.
All right, let's take a look at this. The blasting media did its job, bare metal, just like we wanted. Time for repair.
You can clearly see the dramatic difference here. The stripped panel reveals the extent of the metal's degradation, while the painted one still hides the underlying damage.
All right, this first section here is perforated right through. Then over here, a larger patch is needed, and this thin area must also be addressed. The Buick panels are all stripped now, revealing the original form beneath the damage.
Remarkable.
Yes, you can really see the genius in the curves.
All right, this perforation here measures exactly 4 centimeters. It's extensive. Need to document the depth as well. This area requires full fabrication, no patching.
Precision cuts are essential to match the original curvature. It's time-consuming, but the Buick deserves it.
All right, let's compare this curve to the original fender now. Getting closer?
Yeah.
Just a bit more right here. Precise adjustment. Keep a steady hand on the grinder, Mark. Okay, I think I've got this weld just right, Robert. Good, let's start sanding it down now. All right, that's aligned. Time to secure it properly.
Yeah.
Just need to get this nut on and we can tighten her up. There, torque just right, perfect fit. This is far worse than we anticipated. Decades of sitting have taken their toll. This engine needs a complete ground-up rebuild. The bore is definitely out of spec. We'll need oversized pistons for this one.
The heart of the 1913 Buick. Precise engineering brought back to life. Perfect factory specifications. Pistons. The heart of the car, the connecting rod cap, torqued to its period-correct specification.
Yeah.
This is where the systematic approach.
All right, slowly and gently. Okay, that's it. You've got to use plenty of water to get that even finish. And watch the reflection under the light. Perfect foundation, ready for color now.
All right, just a few more drops.
Perfect.
Perfect. The tone is close, but it needs just a touch more warmth to match the original here. Let's tweak the formula slightly.
I kept one that Sapertown.
The second coat really brings out that classic Buick cream, making it rich and opaque, just like the factory.
The flash time on this base coat is perfect. We're ready for clear. This third coat here is what truly seals the deal.
Yeah.
Just look at the depth. The gloss is unbelievable.
The cream color shows perfect coverage. I'm focusing on ensuring this is a perfectly smooth foundation for polishing.
You can see those sanding marks disappearing now. This compound is bringing up a beautiful shine.
Yeah.
Just look at that clarity. Show quality, without a doubt.
Welcome back to SK Restoration. Today, we're unveiling the heart of the 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster. Observe the flood.
All right, here we go.
She's turning.
There it is. Perfect. I've got this leather stretched just about right now. Time to secure it. The Buick Model 10 Roadster seat
Completely reupholstered in black leather. Perfect. Ready for the road. Look at these, custom fabricated, milled to perfection for the 1913 Buick Model 10.
Right.
Every joint, every curve, exactly to spec, they're ready. Keep it steady, down a little.
Yeah.
Got it, watch that hose. Perfect, set it down.
She's in. All right, fuel line tight. Perfect. All right, perfect fit. Now for the bolts and the hoses. There we go. All right, just one more section to fit here. Perfect fit. And now for the brass fasteners. Solid as a rock. The heart of the car, perfect as new. Yeah.
Carefully does it. Now, to secure it properly,
Yeah.
just right. Another piece of history preserved. All right, now for the column and the wheel.
Yeah.
Just slide that right through there. Perfect fit, and tighten these up. Now, let's see how it feels. Line it up with those mounts right there, carefully.
Got it.
Perfect. Secure this side. Mind the edge. Got it? Lower it down? Okay. Perfect. Pass me the wrench. Right here. All right, these brass hinges are looking just right and perfect alignment with the fender. Now for the leather straps.
The brilliant golden brass contrasts with the cream paint,
New glass lenses and LED lighting.
connecting the period-correct wiring.
All right, alignment's perfect. Now for the brass. Nice and slow, don't cross-thread it. Give it a turn, feel for the settle. All right, hold it steady there, bit to the left. Got it, looks aligned now. Perfect. Hand me that 12 millimeter. All right, that one's slotted in.
Yeah, looks good.
Just need to tighten this down, and we're set. With this, the period-correct brass lighting is now installed, completing the authentic 1913 restoration. All right, just a little more.
Yeah.
Perfect, the torque's right.
Yeah.
Checking the timing now.
Yeah.
Running smooth, we're good to go. All right, oil level looks good. Time to top off the coolant. Okay, fuel's going in. We're ready for the first drive. The completed 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster. From the lift to the floor, show quality, flawless, my masterpiece. Every angle of this 1913 Buick Model 10 Roadster reveals show-quality restoration work with flawless cream paint and
Every detail restored to original perfection.
yeah. It's flawless. Welcome to SK Restoration. Let's take a look at this beauty.
Yeah.
Beneath these panels lies a perfectly restored... All right, old girl. Yeah. And there we go. Perfection. All right, first movement. Smooth as silk. All right, just a little more forward. Got it.
Got it.
Perfect. Hold it there. Looks great. 8 months, thousands of hours, and chassis number 689 lives again in her original cream glory. If you love seeing abandoned automotive... This is it, chassis number 689, restored to its 1913 glory. From a rusted wreck to this, the SK Restoration Special.